Hello everyone, I hope you all will be fine. Today we will be starting the remaining part of the lesson of adjective that has been started since previous some videos. Today we will be studying about the usage of some words. Suppose that little. Little is a word which is used for very less thing, and it is there. The thing is there, but it is so less that its existence is equal to zero. It is there, but its existence is near about zero. Suppose that if I say there is little water in the glass, little water means I can say half of a spoon, half teaspoon, that much water in a glass. That means is equal to none. That is little means very less and equal to none. That is here we will be using little. Little is used in such cases. A little is the thing should be there. It is little. It is in little quantity, but it is something. Some quantity is there, not equal to zero, but some quantity is there. That is called a little. And the little also means little things, but as a whole. Suppose that if I say I gave the little water which was with me to a thirsty person. The little means the whole water that I gave, there I will use the little. So little, a little and the little. And these all are things, these a little, the little will be used with the uncountable nouns, with water, with milk, with such type of thing. Hope, little hope, a little hope, the little hope. So these all the things will be used with the uncountable nouns. But when we are using for countable noun, instead of little we will use few. Few means very less, near about none. A few means less things or less people are there, but it is not equal to zero. But the few means also less things or less people are there, but whole. The few students who were studying in the class went in the computer lab. The few means is a smaller quantity of students were there, but whole all the students went to the computer lab. So few, a few and the few, and these are used with the countable nouns. Suppose that class, students, mobile phones, or pens, pencils, chocolates, whatever things are countable, there we will use few, and which is not countable, that is we will use little, a little and the little. In the same way, late and old. The comparative degree of late is later also. Late means time. If we have to reach somewhere, we became late, that means time. Later means afterwards. But if I am saying latter, suppose that if I say the designer brought 2 dresses and I accepted the latter one. Latter is not here denoting the time. It is denoting the position, the sequence. First dress he brought and second dress he brought, and I accepted the latter. Latter means second position, and the superlative degree is latest. The later and latter both are comparative degree, but the use of these two words will depend upon their situation. When there is time, we will use later. When there is the position, we will use latter. In the same way, latest, when there is the time. Suppose that this is the latest news of today. Latest means very recent thing. So that is why latest. But if I say I was the last person to reach the office, if I am saying last, so last is the position that I am using here. In the same way, old, comparative degree is older. This building is older than that one, or he is older than her. So older, but elder is used with the close family relations. I am elder to my sister. I will not say I am older to my sister. I am elder to my sister. With closer family relations, we use elder. In the same way, oldest, and with the closer family relations, we will be using eldest. In the same way, nearest. If I say the nearest hospital to my house is Sri Ram Hospital. So nearest, it is for distance. Nearest means closest, and next means just position it is denoting. The Ramesh house is next to me, to my house. Next means position. So nearest and next. Nearest denotes distance and next denotes position. Now we will do the exercise that is on page number 26. We have to fill in the blanks with little, a little and the little. So let us see. Rita has used dash salt for the 3 scrambled eggs she prepared. So Rita has used dash salt. I'm telling you. Rita has used a little salt. A little means little salt, but it is not equal to 0. Little salt she has used. Dash apple juice was left in the can as he had finished almost all of it. So when someone is drinking juice and he has finished, very little is left, so we will it is equal to 0, near about equal to 0, so we will use here little. Third is dash yogurt that was left was sufficient. So, dash yogurt that was left means the whole it was left, whatever it is. If it is little also, the whole that was left, so we will use here the little. I left the room for dash minutes. So not little but a little means some minutes I left the room. No, for a few minutes, few, because minutes is countable, we will not use less. A few minutes. Minutes is a countable noun. This is used in countable noun and little is used in uncountable noun. So here we will be using few. Now dash shops were open in the nearby market as it was quite late. Quite late, when it becomes quite late, all the shops become closed. But if one or two shop is open, that so we will use few. We will not use a few. Few means very less. So few shops were open. And shops, because it is countable noun, we will use few. We will not use little. And the last one, dash people who came forward to help the injured man took him to the hospital. Those people who came to help the man who is in accidental position, they all will try to send him to hospital. So the whole people will be there. So here we will say the few people. The means whole people. The few people who came forward to help the injured man took him to the hospital. So that's all for today, and have a wonderful day.